Okay, next we'll talk about the diencephalon. The diencephalon is another part of the brain. This part sits in the middle of the brain. So if you can pull the hemispheres apart, in the middle of it, the center of it towards the front, would be a region that's shaped like this. Like so. Okay, where this is the back of it. Back, this is front. Okay. So in the diencephalon, you have three regions. Towards the back of it, towards the top of it, like here, this region right here, we call the epithalamus. The big part down here would be the thalamus, and then this lower part here would be your hypothalamus. So I have three parts to the diencephalon. Your epithalamus. That part has a gland in there called the pineal gland. Okay, and that gland makes a hormone or chemical called melatonin. And this chemical helps to set your 24-hour rhythm to your body. We call your circadian rhythm, set by this chemical made by the pineal gland. Then you have your thalamus. This part helps to sort. His main job, one of his major functions, is to sort sensory information as they ascend up towards the cortex. Sensory information. And in particular, I want you guys to know two of the sorting stations here. There's an area called the medial geniculate of the thalamus. This one helps to sort information about hearing. So auditory information comes through there, and then your lateral geniculate is used to sort visual information. So that is your thalamus, your sorting station. And then your hypothalamus here. This one does a lot of things. A lot of reflexes also go through here. So is known to control your endocrine system through a bridge called the infundibulum towards your pituitary gland. Also is involved in controlling your autonomic nervous system, the system that controls your heart rate, your lungs, your stomach, your internal organs. And it does many other things. Among them, you have an area called the anterior nucleus of the hypothalamus that controls your body temperature. So when you have a fever, something's going wrong in this area. You also have your arcuate nucleus. This area controls your appetite. It makes you feel hungry. You call it your hunger center, arcuate nucleus. You also have your ventral medial hypothalamus VMH or VMN. This one allows for you to feel full, so it's called your satiety center is the VMH. And then we have your SCN, suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, used in conjunction with melatonin to again create your body rhythms. So please know those four nuclei in the hypothalamus for me and know what roles they play. So this is the overview. So this is the coverage for your diencephalon. Let's pause here.